Improve your pronunciation in English. First and foremost, it is important to listen to native speakers and imitate their pronunciation. This will help you get a feel for the natural flow and rhythm of the language. Next, practice the individual sounds of English, also known as phonemes. You can find many resources online that provide recordings of these sounds, so you can listen to them and practice repeating them. Another tip is to record yourself speaking and then listen to the playback. This will help you identify areas of improvement and focus on specific sounds or words that you need to work on. Taking an English pronunciation class or working with a tutor can also be beneficial, as they can provide personalized feedback and guidance. In addition to focusing on specific sounds and words, it's also important to practice speaking as much as possible, in both formal and informal settings. You can find language exchange partners online or join a language group in your community. Also, try to find English language videos and movies and watch them with subtitles. It will help you to understand accent and rhythm of the language. Remember, practice and persistence are key to improving your pronunciation in any language. Keep at it and you'll be speaking like a native speaker in no time. Thank you for choosing My English Bro for your English pronunciation improvement journey.